Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix the Shift key not working in Windows 11. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the search menu from the bottom of the screen and type Control Panel into it. Now, open the Control Panel application and make sure that the View By option is set to Category. Next, access the Ease of Access feature and open the Ease of Access Center. Once you are in the Ease of Access Center, a bunch of options will be displayed on your screen. You just need to click on the Keyboard Embed. Here, checkmark all of the available features to enable them. After that, apply the settings and wait for a few moments. Once that is done, disable all of the features again and click on Apply. Finally, click on the OK button and close the window. Now, go back to the search menu from the bottom of the screen and search for Device Manager. In the Device Manager, locate the Keyboard section. Right-click on it and select the option to update the drivers. So that's basically how you can fix the Shift key not working in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.